Okay, next let us see what is lattice multiplication. So lattice means it is a grid or bars used for multiplying the numbers. Okay, this is another method of multiplication of numbers. So here we use the grids like this, boxes. Okay, like this boxes will be used for multiplying the numbers. So what we'll do here is, let us take an example. Okay, 23 into 2. So this has to be multiplied now. Okay, 23 into 2. So what we do is draw a row consisting of as many number as the multiplier is. So multiplier means this one. This is the multiplier and this is the 23 is the multiplicand. This is the number we are going to multiply and this is the number will be multiplied to this one. Okay, so this is multiplier and 23 is the multiplicand. So here first we'll take a row. Row means in this way. This is the column. Okay, so this is the row. Horizontal one is row. So draw rows that as many digits are there in the multiplier. Here we have one digit, isn't it? Only one digit is there in the multiplier. So one row you will take. Next, draw columns as many digits are there in the multiplicand. Here there are two numbers, isn't it? 23, two digits are there. So you should take two columns like this. Okay, 1, 2. Like this you have to take two columns. Means two boxes like this. So now place the numbers. This multiplicand should be written here. 2 and 3 here. 23. And this 2 will be taken in front of the row. Okay. 23 will be taken above the column and 2 will be taken in front of the row. Like this. Here 23 and here 2. Now for this, each box will be drawn a diagonal like this. This and this corner will be joined. Okay, like this. Like this. Here also this and this corner will be joined like this. So this here there are two boxes now, isn't it? After drawing the diagonal, you will get two boxes here. This is one and this is another one. So upper one is the tens box and the lower one is the ones box. Okay. Upper one is the tens box, lower one is the ones box. Here also same. Upper one is the tens box and lower one is the ones box. So to get the structure properly, you must draw this box using a scale. Okay. With a correct measurement. Means the square. This should be proper square. Then you will get the structure properly. So first, two digits are there here. So you will take two columns. Here there is only one digit. So you will take only one row. Okay. This 2 multiply will be written in front of the rows. And 23, that is the multiplicand, will be written above the columns. Then each, both the box will be, this two corners means you will draw a diagonal here. Upper one is the tens column and lower one is the ones column. Same for each boxes will be followed. So this is the structure of a lattice. So now we have to multiply the numbers here. How to multiply here? So first thing, as usual, this number into ones, then this number into tens. Same thing, okay? So first 2 into 3. This 2 will be multiplied with this first digit, that is 3. 2 3s are 6. So 6 is the single digit number, isn't it? Only one digit is there. So write 0 in the tens column and 6 will be written in the ones column. Okay? 6 will be written in the ones column. So you don't have tens. So this tens column will be written as 0, 0, 6 like this. So above the line you will write 0 and below the line you will write 6. Now come to this box. Now multiply 2 into 2. This 2 and this 2. 2 2s are 4. Here also you have only ones. So 4 is written in this first box, means down one, in the ones box, and 0 will be written in tens box. Okay, 0, 4. So in this way. Now how to find the answer? So this is how you have completed the multiplication. Now what you have to do is, each diagonal is added. Okay, the digits in each diagonal will be added. So you will add the numbers in this way. So here you have only 6. So write 6 here. Here take these two. You have 0 and 4, isn't it? 0 and 4. 0 plus 4 is 4 only. So take 4 here. Now here you don't have any other digits. Only 0 is there. Write 0 here. So now you will write digits in this way. You will arrange the digits from here. So you have 0, then you have 4, then you have 6. So this is the answer. Means 46 is the answer. Okay. So what is the answer? Answer is equal to 0, 4, 6. Like this. So like this you will take the digits for writing the answer. So this is called as lattice multiplication. Okay, this is called as lattice multiplication. So here we will multiply the numbers using a grid or the boxes. Okay, so this is another way of multiplication. So now this is example sum. I'll show you some other sums. Okay, with this method, and while watching the video, neatly write the same in your classwork. Then you will understand better.